Did you know that creators like Iman Ghazi, Alex Hermosi, and Mr. Beast don't grow because they are smartest, but because they understand personal branding better than 90% of people? And here's the scary part. In 2026, if you do not have a personal brand, you are already behind. My name is Asad. I am 23-year-old founder of Foxvat Media, where we help creators and businesses build personal brand that get attention, trust, and result today's digital world. Most people think building a personal brand means posting every day, copying viral trend, or becoming an Instagram influencer. But that's completely wrong. In fact, those habits are the exact reason most people stay invisible forever. The real reason these people grow fast has nothing to do with luck, consistency, or even high quality content. They follow a simple branding rule that force people to remember them, even if they see just one post. And once you understand this rule, personal branding suddenly became easy instead of overwhelming. But before I reveal the exact framework you can use to build a personal brand from zero, even if you have zero followers, make sure to subscribe to this channel because I break down real strategies like this for creators and entrepreneurs in 2026. Here's the truth. Personal branding in 2026, it's about owning one idea, not doing everything. You choose one audience, one painful problem, and one clear opinion, and you repeat it everywhere. You do not try to go viral, you try to become familiar. When people hear a name and instantly know what you stand for, your brand is already working. Consistency build trust, clarity build authority, and authority build your personal brand. Everything else is just noise. Stop chasing attention, start building recognition. So see you in the next one. Stay tuned.